I picked up a brass solar light this time from the Dollar Tree and one of these beautiful green glass vases. And I kind of just want to do a nature theme with these using that greenery there from the Dollar Tree. It's like a plastic foliage, but the leaves on there are really nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the tag there on the back of my bottle. This one's going to be so easy. It's just these three pieces could not be any easier. And it really gives you a beautiful natural feel that you could put this just about anywhere outside. It's going to look so cute. I'm just going to take off three of these little greeneries. I love that they just pop right off like that. That's my favorite. And I'm going to put them inside like that. I'm kind of going for just a nature, forest theme. So I thought I would give it a little, forest floor too. Look, with a little bit of that brown floral moss from Dollar Tree to cover up the bottom of it. I'm just using a little skewer because it's a little hard to work with inside the glass because you can't really put your fingers in there. And then I just put all three of the little leaves in there and then just kind of rearrange them until I think they look good. Again, I like doing like an odd number. I think that looks good in there. And I just used a skewer to kind of arrange those until I was happy with them. And the combination of the green foliage and the green color of the vase really works well together, and it's going to light up a beautiful green. And I thought this brass color solar light would look really good with the green. It coordinates really well. The size of this vase is perfect for it as well. So I'm just going to do some of the Gorilla Glue around the top of the glass vase and then just put my little solar light there right on top. It really could not be any easier. That is all there is to it. Look how beautiful that looks. This would look great outdoors at your house. So easy to do. If you see some of that foliage, be sure to pick it up. But I love these colored glass vases. You could always use some like dishwasher safe Mod Podge and paint if you needed to tint your own. But I love the fact that they're already green from the Dollar Tree. And this is what I'm talking about at night. Look how beautiful green it shines since it is the tinted glass. And the greenery in there is so perfect. You could also do like some faux ladybugs or anything like that you have in there if you have some from the Dollar Tree.